Okay, so now we're gonna do the forehead. The forehead, at this point, I always like to stay a little more not as aggressive. This is aggressive, this is at level 3. This is, where you're doing it, where you really wanna make this really, really shrink. The forehead is something where they're looking straight onto you. And me, I just wanna stay really, really conservative, make sure there's no hyperpigmentation, nothing like that. So I do level 2 with it. So I'm gonna take this off, wipe this off. I've got heel on here already. What I do sometimes with the forehead is I just like hold her eyes like this. I spray it on there really good. And then really wipe it off. Okay. All right, so what are we doing here now? So wrinkle your face. So what do we want to do right in here? Right in this area. Okay, cool. So you see these wrinkles here? What I'm gonna do, go, you unwrinkle it now? I'm just gonna go through here and just hit this area really, really close together with the finer impressions. So when you do it on level 2, that's what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna take my heel, I'm gonna wipe off this carbon. You'll have a lot more carbon buildup when you're doing it on level 2 for some reason, because you have to get a little bit closer. There's smaller dots, a lot more dots. You're gonna find that's gonna happen, a lot more carbon buildup on it. Okay.
It's that movie, I look like an avatar. Remember when you got the dye all over?
All over who?
Me.
When? I did, oh yeah. All right, here we go. Okay. So this is like really a little more tedious, gotta get up close. I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna have a wrinkle, and then I'm gonna follow along those lines. So when you're doing these smaller dots and you don't hit because it's just such a more of like a tedious, delicate procedure, you can go back into that dot. So watch, if I go like this and nothing happens there, I can go in that and really get that dot where I want it. You want it to look like that. With the bigger ones, don't go back into it because you can cause it to possibly to be dangerous and cause a scar or she'll have some pigmentation issues. But this is a lot more delicate. The risk of that happening is way less. You can come over here if you want. Look, there you go. Here, when are we? Is that me in front of the light? Oh, it's me in front of the light. My bad. Sorry. it feel?
This feels it's not as bad as the other one,
Yeah.
but like
It's a lot more.
yeah, it's more, yeah.
Yeah.
Like I'll literally not feel 6 of them, and then one of them will scare me.
Yeah. Squint. Okay, let me see. Go do it again. All right. Go ahead. Unsquint. So I'm gonna get close to that wrinkle really good. The ones around that wrinkle, I'm gonna just get really close. Squint again. Okay. And then I'm gonna get close to this one too. Okay, wait up, let me just do this.
On that side.
What is it?
Come down further on this side.
Okay. Right here?
Mm-hmm.
More?
Just a little bit. And then right there.
Okay.
There we go.
Let me just hit this real quick. I think it needs a little more on this side. Squint. Yeah, I think it's good.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, let me wipe this off.
My cartridge is like empty. The only thing that I feel is that side pretty much. And just a little bit.
Burns.
Yeah. And I can tell that it's just on the outer side, probably just because there wasn't cream
Yeah,
there. That's
yeah.
it. But I'm not even upset about it because I know that shit works. I can't feel anything in the middle.
Nice, good. All right, you're good.